And welcome to the MyCRM Microsoft Dynamics Resource Center on YouTube. Please do subscribe to our channel as we provide these resources for free. My name is Alistair Dickinson. I'm the CEO CMO of MyCRM, and today we're going to be looking at the personal settings in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Okay, we're back with the Microsoft Dynamics 365, and this is Alistair. I'm going to take a look at user settings. So from our Microsoft Dynamics environment, we go up to the little cog and select options. You'll see that a number of screen pops up with a number of tabs on. And I'm going to walk through this today because it's quite an important area of the system. We do get a lot of calls from users asking how they can configure personal options. So we'll start on the General tab. This is the first screen. Firstly, look at the default pane. This is where your CRM is going to log you in, or your 365 is going to log you in. So you've got the option to set whichever tab you want to appear first. So if I change that to sales, I change that to my contacts, then the contact screen is going to load first time every time when I log into the system. The next field is the amount of records that are displayed. You've got the option to have 25, 50, 75, 100 and 250, and this is your personal options, so you can either select one of these. I'm just going to select this to 100. You've got the setting for advanced find, either if you want the simple or the detailed view. This is when you go into advanced find from anywhere within the system. And set my time zone, and in my case this is London, Dublin. My preferred currency, so if I'm working in UK, I'm going to set that to pound sterling. Just scroll down a little bit. I've got the ability to set high contrast. This is high. This is depending on your browser settings, and I can set the default country region as well. So that's my region code. Just scroll down a little bit more. You can then see I've got my ability to look at my user record. This will open your user record within Dynamics, and I can also manage my personal relationship settings. So when the screen displays, I've got the option to have alerts for all of these things, and the system will notify me when these happen. So this is a personal assistant or a relationship assistant. Next time I log in, that will set my default screen to sales and contacts. So I'm going to go to my options again. Go to the second tab, look at synchronization. So this is the synchronization between your, if you're using the Outlook plugin tools, the filters that allow you to set what data comes down to your Outlook. I can also look at my synchronization fields as well to see which fields I want to synchronize. I've also got the option for my offline filters if I'm using Dynamics 365 via an offline mode, and I can add those new filters in by just clicking new. So it's very straightforward. Now going to look at my activities, and this is going to give me some activity views for my default calendar, so I can show the default calendar as day, week or month, and I can show my start time and end time for the day. So if I was starting earlier in the day, I can set that to be 7:30. Now going to look at my formats. The United Kingdom, this is already set, but I could obviously set to if I wanted to use English United States or English UK. That then sets my default settings of what the long date is going to look like, the short date, and etc. Let's move on to email templates. Create new individual email templates. This will be a list of my templates or all templates. I can then configure those to be my own templates if I want. Likewise, for my email signature, I can just create a new email signature. Finally, I'm going to look at my email settings. It's quite important. They allow other Microsoft Dynamics 365 users to send email on your behalf. So this is a personal setting that allows other users in my team or across the organization to send email on my behalf. I've got the ability to track if I'm using the Outlook plugin, use either be all email messages, only emails that have come from 365, or only emails that relate to contacts, accounts and leads, or all records that have an email enabled to them. I should just leave that on. Email messages. If I receive an email in and I track it, I've got the option to auto create. I can either create a contact or a lead. I'll set that to leads. I'm just going to look at my privacy settings. This is really notifications from the system. It just asks me for permission. It automatically sends, or it never sends an error report. And then finally, languages. Basic languages, English. Have the options to change those. Okay, that concludes the personal settings for Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you need any further information for your Microsoft Dynamics 365 investment or deployment, please contact us, give us a call, send us an email, or contact us via social media. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel.